Hello everyone, and in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and let me show you how to add photo contact. So at first, open your phone together. Go to contacts if you are not in this button, and now select contact that you want to personalize. Mark info, select edit, and now tap on plus icon here, as this picture is for profile one. And now you can either create Galaxy avatar. You can open your camera and grab a photo right now. You can choose something from your gallery, however you like. Maybe, for example, this one. As you can see, you can customize it however you like. You can crop it. Then you can also rotate it if you wish, and mark save once it is set the way you like it. Mark save, and that's it. As you can see, it is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave it a thumbs up.